Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about how to make a marketing strategy for a tech industry or education industry. I am Shahnaz Alvi and founder of Kestronica and Digital Mobile. So today we will discuss about how you are going to create a digital marketing or marketing strategy for the education or edtech industry. First, you have to understand your targeted audience. Like you have to make a perfect audience persona for your campaigns. Like what will be the age, location, and what will be the interest and behavior of your audience. So you need to create a set of audience, and then you can plan it accordingly. Performance marketing, it is very important. Either you have a branding of your company or not, but even you can generate the enrollments for your business using the performance marketing. So before doing the performance marketing, you have to create a business equation. For example, you have online MBA programs and you have to generate leads for them. So what you will do, you will set a target for this, how many leads you are going to generate in a month, what will be the leads required on a daily basis, how much you are going to spend on a daily basis. So in an Excel sheet, you have to create entire plan for the campaign. And third is very important, social media strategy. ये बहुत important है because for an entire month you have to create a digital calendar for that, for your own brand, because for a longer run it is very important to create or maintain or build your activity on a social media to build a trust with the students. So of course you need to decide what kind of content you are going to create each and every day, and how you're going to post on which date and what time. So you need to analyze each and everything, and you have to maintain the social media marketing as well. Bifurcate the performance marketing into different platforms. So while creating a strategy, you also have to decide how much budget you are going to spend on Facebook, how much budget you are going to spend on Google and LinkedIn. So also you can divide the budget accordingly. So for our client, what we are doing, we are spending something like 60% on Facebook, 30% on Google, and 20% on LinkedIn based on the lead quality. So accordingly, you can swipe the budget also. If you are getting more quality leads from LinkedIn or Google, you can also shift the budget to LinkedIn and Google towards. So this is very important to bifurcate the budget also platform wise. So a campaign hierarchy आपको इस तरह रखना है, like you have to create a 3 ad set in a single campaign. For one ad set should be interest based, another is job title based, and third one is lookalike audience. If you have a set of data, like you have previous batch data or like something interested and opportunity data, you can upload those data onto Facebook and you can create a lookalike audience. In that way, you also cater the CPL, because in lookalike audience, CPL is always less than like the creating direct campaign. So campaign hierarchy should be like this only. Last but not the least is reporting. Analyze your campaign and accordingly optimize your campaign. For example, from which location you get the more opportunity prospect or get the enrollments leads. So you can scale that particular campaign, and gradually you can increase the budget of the campaign, so you can increase the volume also. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe. And if you want consultation from us for performance marketing or digital marketing, you can contact us. Thank you.